how to fix TikTok features missing problem. Hello guys, welcome back to this new short tutorial. I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easily and fast. First thing, open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager like this. And after that you have to scroll until you find TikTok app, click on it, and then go to the permissions and make sure that all the permissions are enabled. Go back, click on the storage, and make sure right here again that to clear the cache and the data. Go back. Now you have to do one last thing, which is update your TikTok into the latest version. If you don't know how to do it, just go to the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone. Search for TikTok and click on this update option that you can see right here. And after you do that, all the features will be there. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial until the very end.